Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am here today to do an unboxing from Kathy's Daylilies, which is always so much fun, and talk about where these special plants are going to go. So yesterday I had delivered this box from Kathy's Daylilies, and earlier in the winter I had made a video shopping online on Kathy's Facebook page, which I do every winter, and then by the time it gets to this time of year I have a wonderful list of daylilies that I've ordered that get to be delivered. Now this year I was really organized. I have a list of all the daylilies I ordered with their description and their picture, so I should be able to tell you a bit about them as I open this up. So there's lots of little holes in the side of the box here so the daylilies could breathe, of course, and yesterday we had a huge windstorm, so I wasn't in any hurry to open the box yesterday, but today is the day to get them out. Oh, and this is always so much fun because I know that these daylilies come back beautifully and will bloom for me. Oh, look at this. Now, Kathy sells her daylilies in 2 fan sizes, so you can see we have the 2 fans here, and she puts a nice tag on. This is Royal Street. Oh, I think I have Royal Street in here. Let me see. I don't, so this must be a gift. Oh, I will have to look this up. One thing I do love about ordering from Kathy is if I'm lucky, she'll put in a gift daylily, and that's always a great surprise to look up. Now, one thing you want to notice is when you are ordering daylilies, you are buying the roots here. They clip off the top of the leaves. That's totally normal, but it's the roots that you're looking for. So these roots look fabulous. They are healthy. I can tell, you know, there's not like holes in them. They're not moldy and damp or rotting. That's the kind of thing you really want to look for. These look fabulous. Ooh, so thank you so much to Kathy. Let's see what this is. I tried to review them before I started unwrapping, but it's hard to remember everything. Ooh, this is Martha Lynn Carpenter. Oh, I think I might be most excited about this plant. So yes, does it look like much now? No, but it is going to be a beautiful double daylily. And you know, if you were listening to the videos over the winter, I really was focusing on a lot of the double daylilies. I just think they're so unique. You know, a lot of people only think of daylilies as those ditch lilies, which really aren't the daylilies that we're collecting. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. It's a little allergic out here today too. Your daylilies, they really can come in such gorgeous colors, such unique shapes. So Martha Lynn Carpenter is going to have a 5-inch double pink bloom that is just gorgeous, and it gets to be about 30 inches tall. I also try to order, you know, my average is probably like 28 inches tall. You can get some daylilies that are like 4 feet tall. That's a little tall for me. And this is another Martha Lynn Carpenter. Oh my goodness. So I know that I ordered 2 double fan bunches. So here's a double fan bunch, but this one has 4 fans in it. So I really lucked out. Whew. Thank you, Kathy, for when you dug that one up. I was very excited about that one. That's why I ordered it twice. Okay, here we go. And this is King's Reign. Look at the size of these double fans. That's a really healthy plant here. So King's Reign is a nice purple, I believe, sticking with my pink and purple color, 29 inches. The bloom is going to be about 6 inches across, and it says it's a dark purple with a green throat and a lighter watermark and a wire gold edge. I really liked the ripply gold edge on this. I thought that would really show up nicely. And here we have this clear light pink and then the dark purple, a really nice contrast. I love that. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, look at this clump. This is a big one. Oh, this is Get Well Soon, and I ordered 2 2 fans, and there's 5 fans here instead of just the 4. So thank you for that. And this is going to be another double daylily. This one is kind of a cream color with a little rose in the center. I think it's going to be very nice paired with the pinks and purple. Sometimes you need those yellows or cream colors to sort of offset the other colors. I used to just do pink, but my mom always kept saying, you need some other colors to show those off. And it is true. Oh, this is Big Fuss. So here's Big Fuss. I ordered Big Fuss a year or 2 ago, and it bloomed last year. Honestly, it is so big. I can tell you why they call it Big Fuss. It is just beautiful. It's kind of a peachy coral orange, which also is not really what I would choose, but with the pinks, gorgeous, double, big, beautiful. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I have such good taste as I choose out these. You can't go wrong with beautiful daylilies. Okay, and this one is Little Party Girl. This is what I would classify as a miniature daylily. So yes, they come in a very tiny size too. This is a double. It's a mini double. It's kind of a mauve purple. It's going to be about 18 inches tall, so it's shorter than a lot of them. And the actual flowers are about 2.5 inches. That's what makes it a mini. But look at the double here. This is going to be so nice. Your minis you often want to put at the front of your border. So if I have a daylily border I'm doing, I do try to know which ones are smaller and should be towards the edge and which ones I should put back further that can peek over things. I can't say that I always get it right, so sometimes I do dig up and move them, but you know, daylilies are so hardy, that's okay. And it's better to move them where you think they're going to do best as you figure that out. A gift of Treva. This is a daylily that I ordered 2 of also, and it's also sort of that cream color, very, very neutral and delicate, and it's a double, so it goes with the double theme here. Let's see, it's going to be about 26 inches tall. And it is, oh, it says pink with cream ruffled edge, tipped gold wire above large lime green throat. So I would say this is a very pale sort of pink, that creamy and pink. Ooh, good looking roots here. Look how long those roots are. Some deep holes to dig. Another gift of Treva. That's my second one. Ooh, love it. Okay. I'm going to have a busy afternoon digging these in. Now, Kathy's daylilies are down in Georgia, so fortunately it's pretty warm here. We're pretty good. Living Easy. Let me find that one here for you. Living Easy, here we go. Living Easy is going to get to be about 28 inches tall. The blooms are about 6 3/4 inches across. And it's a clear violet purple, double petals on the throat area, cream white and gold petal edges, green throat. So very pretty purple. I love that. Oh, we're down to our last 2 here. And here we go. Oh, this is not one that I ordered. This must be a gift also. Oprah Kloss. I'll have to look that up. Looks good though. And then also, I don't remember ordering this one, but boy, it sounds like something I would order. And sometimes I do. This is either a gift or one that I ordered and I can't even remember. This is pink. Tavares Pink Prismatic. Oh, and I can tell right away it is going to be pink, and I will love that. So I am going to put these in some water to soak for a few hours. Thank you so much, Kathy, for sending such a fabulous bunch of daylilies. Look at these. They arrived so well, and I know that they are going to thrive in the garden. And thank you for giving me so much joy throughout the winter, too, being able to go online and look at all the pretty pictures of daylilies that you post. That's got to be a ton of work for you, Kathy. So thank you for doing that. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.